Out of all the railroads that existed in the United States during the 20th century, the Pennsylvania Railroad is by far the most memorable one. The Pennsylvania Railroad was established in 1846 with headquarters in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. By the late 1800s, the Pennsylvania Railroad became the largest railroad in the world. The railroad spanned close to 12,000 miles throughout the northeastern United States, from New York to Chicago and south of PA. One of its competitors was the New York Central Railroad. In the late 1960s, the Pennsylvania Railroad bought its rival, the New York Central Railroad. The new name of the railroad was Penn Central Transportation Company, or Penn Central for short. However, by 1970, the railroad declared bankruptcy. Here's the logo of Penn Central. In 1976, the Pennsylvania Railroad was taken over by Conrail Railroad Corporation. The Pennsylvania Railroad logo is the red keystone, the state symbol of the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania.